is for apple. The apple is red, juicy, and sweet to eat.
A is for apple. An apple is sweet. B is for bear. The bear is brown, the bear is soft and cute. I love my teddy bear.
C is for cat. The cat is cute and loves to play.
Letter D. D is for dog. The dog is friendly. I love my dog. E is for elephant. The elephant is big. Elephants live in the forest. Letter F. F is for fish. The fish is colorful. I like to watch the fish. Letter G. G is for giraffe. The gentle giraffe stretches its long neck to eat leaves from tall trees. H is for heart. A happy heart is full of love and kindness. I is for ice cream. I love eating ice cream on a sunny day. J is for jellyfish. The jellyfish floats gently in the blue sea. K is for kite. The colorful kite flies high in the sky on a windy day. L is for lion. L is for lion. The brave lion roars loudly in the jungle.
M is for monkey. The monkey likes to swing on trees and eat a banana. N is for night. At night, the moon shines and stars twinkle in the sky. O is for orange. The orange is sweet, juicy, and fun to eat. O is for orange. The orange is sweet, juicy, and fun to eat. P is for parrot.
The parrot is colorful and loves to talk.
Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. The rabbit loves to run and hop around. S is for sun. The sun shines bright and keeps us warm. S is for sun. The sun shines bright and keeps us warm. T is for tree. The tree is tall and provides shade for everyone. T is for tree. The tree is tall and provides shade for everyone. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. The umbrella keeps us dry when it rains. V is for van. The van carries people and things from one place to another.
V is for van. The van carries people and things from one place to another.
W is for whale. The whale is huge and swims gracefully in the ocean. X is for xylophone. The xylophone makes happy musical sounds when you play it. Y is for yellow. The yellow kite flies high in the sky. Z is for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes and loves to run.
Z is for zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes and loves to run.